Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Bybit P2P trading. So first of all, you want to go ahead and open up your Bybit application. If you want to sign up to Bybit, I'm going to leave the link in the description below with a bonus. Now, you want to go ahead and be on the home page, and you will see after Rewards Hub, there's P2P trading. So you just want to click on it. Now you need to go ahead and acknowledge everything, and after that you want to choose the currency. So for today we're going to choose USDT, and you want to be on the buy option. You can also go ahead and choose the currency you want to pay with. Now you want to scroll down and see, as you can see, there's few options which are ineligible, so it may be because of your, as you can see, you're a user not from the country. And you will see some other options. So we will also want to choose a verified account. As you can see, there is account name and verified button, and somewhere like right there, supplier 47, there's not. So you want to definitely choose a verified option. Well, after that, you just click buy, and you can buy it with fiat. So you just enter the amount which you want to buy. After that, you will see, let's for example choose 10. And after that, you will see your fees and so on and so forth, and you will be able to buy it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.